and welcome back to my channel Breathing Gratitude. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach and Mentor. And this morning I bring you a topic which is very unique, a topic that will help you apply these concepts in your day-to-day life. Uh, and I want to let you know it's called the Unlocking the Mysteries of the Law of Attraction. And I'll go one more step ahead to let you know it's called the Stepping Stone. So let's see what the stepping stone is all about and how it can help you in your day-to-day life. Now, there are many theories on the law of attraction, and if you go to compile everything, it will take you years and volumes. And the number of people who are taking up law of attraction today is only increasing by the numbers, which is a very good sign. But to practice law of attraction, you need your discipline, determination, and dedication. Along with that, you should not have skill issues, you should not have will issues, and you must not have drill issues. So, skill, will, and drill. Okay? Now, there is a singular force that actually determines the trajectory of your life, be it money, richness, wealth, joy, happiness, and your overall success. But the ultimate goal is to introduce you to effective ways of how you can utilize the law of attraction and, more importantly, how you can teach others. Now, if you're able to do that, it's going to be very satisfying. Now, the law of attraction is described as the doorway, the key to unlock your life's full potential and the essence that it animates in the whole universe. Now, what does this mean? It is your doorway. So it opens many doors for you in 10 areas of your life if you practice it in the right manner. Now, a lot of people start with a lot of enthusiasm and then they wane out. They don't keep the same momentum. Now, that can be a problem. So, you're all excited, you start with a great deal of enthusiasm and then suddenly your graph slides. It's also described as the primal source of power, and that's absolutely true. Because if you're not practicing the law of attraction, you're not understanding what is happening to you on a day-to-day basis. Okay? Now, this is a singular force that truly determines the trajectory of your life in all areas of your life, be it personal, professional, finance, money, wealth, joy, happiness, relationships, everything. Now, the law of attraction is capable of giving you a truly happy and content life if you practice it in the right manner. It will give you perfect health. It will give you the ability to achieve whatever you want, manifest whatever you want, visualize whatever you want. It will give you the ability to become whoever you want to become in this life, provided you're willing to invest time in the right methodology, techniques associated with the law of attraction. A lot of times we do techniques which are, I would like to put that as incorrect. And when you're practicing something incorrect, the results don't come. And a lot of you are not in the state of mind to practice it because you are worrying as to how will it come, when will it come, where will it come, who will give it to me. So if you're going to worry about the 5 W's and the 2 H, who, where, when, what, why, how and how much, you're actually putting obstacles to your manifestation. Now you should avoid that. It will also help you, give you the ability to manifest both small successes and huge ones. Now, all the success that you ever wanted in your life, that you dreamt of, right? You will always have it, provided you have the ability to go ahead and practice it day in, day out, and with a proper rigor. If you're not doing that, it will sort of derail your expectations. It also gives you the ability to manifest healing in every aspect of your existence. Receive infinite source of individual wisdom. By reading the law of attraction, you get to know what your conscious, subconscious mind is doing. You get to know about neuroscience. You get to know about how you have to visualize, how to act as if you've already received it. So, ask, believe, receive is the sequential order. So, when you are able to do that, then you are practicing law of attraction in the right manner. Now, as I talk to you about this particular subject, I'm also running parallel programs like Money Attraction Mastery, which talks about, you know, 45 daily tried and tested methods of how you can attract money in your day to day life. And it's not expensive at all. I do this as a 3-hour program on Zoom. So if you're interested, do get in touch with me on the numbers below so that we can take it from there. Parallelly, I'm also doing my signature program and it's ongoing. It's called the 3-in-1 Clap program. I've already got 139 participants globally who've enrolled, registered, and who have already been certified. Of that 139, I've got about 85, 87 testimonials. And these are documented testimonials of members talking about their success and the miracles that are happening in their life after they've done the 3-in-1 Clap program. So thank you so much for watching. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos that come to me. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay indoors, wear a mask, carry your sanitizer. In short,